Welcome students to Sneha Coaching Academy. Now let's see how to find the permissible values of cos theta. Now we are given 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. This is the easy method that I am telling you. Start with the 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta is equals to 0. Now here sin theta is common in both. We will take sin theta as common. Here remaining will be 2 sin theta plus 3, which will equals to 0. Now we will split it just like the factors. Sin theta will be equals to 0 or 2 sin theta plus 3 will be equals to 0. Now we know sin theta is equals to 0 or 2 sin theta is equals to plus 3 will be shifted to right hand side, that will be minus 3, which will be equals to sin theta is equals to minus 3. This 2 will be shifted over here, that will be minus 3 upon 2. Now the value of minus 3 upon 2 will be greater than 1. So this is not possible because the range of all the trigonometric ratios is always between 1 and minus 1. Is always between 1 and minus 1. So this can't be our answer. So we will see this one. Cos theta is equal to 0. When cos theta is 0, when theta is 90 degrees. When cos theta is 0, when sin theta, when sin theta is 0 is sin 0 degree. So our theta will be 0. So cos 0 will be 1. So our permissible value will be 1. Permissible value will be 1. How? Sin theta is sin 0. So our theta will be 0. So cos, we have to find the permissible value of cos theta. So cos 0 will be 1. So permissible value of cos theta will be 1. See another similar example. We are given 2 cos square theta minus 11 cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0. We have to find the permissible value of cos theta. First we will simplify 2 cos square theta minus 11 cos theta plus 5 is equals to 0. Now we will use the factorize method over here. 2 into 5 is 10. We have to take the factors of 10, whose answer will be 11. Now 10 is 10 ones are 10. Now 10 plus 1 will be 11. But 11 over here is minus. So we will take both minus. Minus 10 and minus 1 will be minus 11. 2 cos square theta. We will split 11 cos theta as minus 10 cos theta minus 1 cos theta plus 5 is equals to 0. Now we will take the factors. Here 2 cos theta is common in bracket. Here will be the cos theta minus 2 is taken out. So 2 5s is 10. This will be cos theta minus 5 minus, here nothing is common. We will take 1 cos theta plus 5 is equals to 0. So the factors will be cos theta minus 5 into 2 cos theta minus 1 equals to 0. This is the factorized method. We have studied it in 8th 9th standard. Now split it. Cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0, or 2 cos theta minus 1 will be equals to 0. Here cos theta is equals to minus 5 is shifted over here, so it will be 5. Here 2 cos theta is equal to minus 1 will send it to right hand side, this will be plus 1. So cos theta's value will be 1 upon 2. This 2 is shifted over here, this will be 1 upon 2. Now cos theta cannot be greater than 1, so cos theta equals to 5 is not the permissible value. Now cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2, so the permissible value will be 1 upon 2. Permissible value of cos theta will be 1 upon 2. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.